10 ideas to go beyond the form, beyond the class, beyond the shackles of history, beyond the bubbles of complacency. 10 ideas to defrag mind and body. 2, 1, 3, 0, 3. Something or another. Welcome to this brief interaction to series 2 of Talking Tai Chi with me, the teapotmOnk. Now, it officially relaunches on the 10th of next month. There'll be one episode a month featuring ideas on learning and training in Tai Chi, as well as surprise additional podcasts that I'll be launching in between those release dates, with interviews, insights, and occasional reviews. So make sure you have subscribed or you'll miss those spontaneous, unplanned uploads as I'm travelling across the UK from June to September this year. Now, finally, you may have detected a quieter monk than usual this year due to me devoting a lot of time to a new book that will be released first as an ebook next month, and much later in the year, I hope, a paperback. Now, the book is going to be called the Tai Chi Workbook, and the title should give away the subject matter, as it's going to be something in which you engage with, you interact with. As usual, it will be hard-hitting, direct and controversial in content and style, with a range of talking points and ideas, but as a workbook, there'll obviously be content, exercises for you to do. But I wanted to go beyond a simple manual in two very distinct ways. The first is that other than showing you these basic exercises, it's going to offer you quizzes and recaps to test your understanding of what you're doing. There will be checklists on major points that you can save, export, keep, or print out. There will be links to practical further demonstrations online for you to follow. There will be pull-out quotes from some of the best minds on Tai Chi and Taoism. There will be spreadsheets for you to work through in order to discover your best training options, to find out what style would be best for you to learn, to find out the best ways that you can learn. There'll be true or false sections to remind yourself what's relevant and what's not in a light-hearted chuangza-like style. So I mentioned it's going to be different in two ways. One will be the interactive element, and second is going to be the design. In order to offer an alternative to the AI-generated graphics that are becoming so dominant on the web, the Tai Chi Workbook's going to be offering 150 pages of illustrations, watercolours, ink drawings and line sketches to deliver a handcrafted design and layout unlike anything you will have seen before. And it's going to be available initially as a PDF or a fixed layout EPUB exclusively from my site, before becoming available on all other online bookstores later in the year. So you can check it out now by dropping in at 21stcenturytaichi.com, where you'll find a link and examples of the design that I'm referring to. And if you remember, then you can take the opportunity to pre-order a copy at a discount before it gets released. All that coming up this year. So that's what's happening. I'll be back again on the 10th. Thanks so much for listening. Next month, another theme, another approach, and who knows, another person altogether. Make sure you've subscribed to the podcast. Thanks for listening. Thanks for your time and attention. Got something to say? You know where to find me.